Welcome to my trading zone. In this video you can see how to trade intraday by using Bollinger Bands and MACD. For a long follow the below setup. MACD line cross over the signal line and 15 minutes green candle above the middle line in Bollinger Bands. For short follow the below setup. Signal line cross over the MACD line and 15 minutes red candle below the middle line in Bollinger Bands. It's a very simple technique used for scalping. Please like and subscribe.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home.